3. Welcome to Selling Math Excellence Round 2 Answers. Solution. Alright, so let's move to question 1. Given the surface area of the figure shown in the figure is 294, find the maximum possible value of its volume. So if you guys didn't know, cubes are also a type of cuboid. So since they didn't give us any measurements like the height, the length, the width, we can only assume it's a cube. So this is a cube. Now, how many sides does a cube have? 1, 2, 3, and the back 4, 5, 6. So a cube has 6 sides, and we know that the surface area of a cube, of the figure, is 294. So 294 divided by 6 equals one of the faces. So 294 divided by 6. 4, 6, 24, 5, 5, 4, 9, 6, 54. So the answer is 49. So one face is 49. Now, since it's a cube, basically length times height equals area. So length times height equals 49. Since it's a cube, the measurements are the same. So for square root of 49 equals 7. One line is 7, and since it's a cube, length times height times width equals volume. 7 times 7 times 7 equals 343. So that is the first answer. Question 1, 343. Question 2. Firstly, we should know how a gradient will look like on the graph. So y equals x. Basically 1 is 1, 2 is 2, and 6 is 6, and so on. Y equals 2x is the ratio of 1 to 2. So 1 with 2, 2 with 4, 4 with 8, and so on. Y equals 2 over 7x plus 6. Let's not care about the 6 first. 2 over 7. So the ratio is 7 to 2. So every 7, that'll be 2. Okay, and at 6 is this 0. We move it up to 6, so we move it up. And this is number 3. So now let's get back to the question. Line CD is perpendicular to AC and meets the line negative 2x plus 7y equals 42 at D. Find the coordinates of D. So let's pull out our graph and plot now ABC. ABC. So now we draw the line negative 2x plus 7y equals 42, but we need to make it into y equals mx plus c. So let's do that. First, we move the negative 2x over. So 7y equals 2x plus 42. Then we divide 7 on both sides. So y equals 2 divided by 7x plus 6. 42 divided by 7 is 6. Now that we have this, we can plot it out on our graph. This is 2 divided by 7. 7 to 2, 7 to 2, 7 to 2, and then plus 6, so 6. Now, as you can see, line CD is perpendicular to AC. So let's draw line AC, and we need to meet the line after with perpendicular, but let's talk about it later. So first, to find perpendicular, we need to find this gradient. So m is the gradient. So y2 minus y1 x divided by x2 minus x1. So that is this. So y2 is negative 2 minus 2, and x is 8 minus 0, so we will get negative 4 over 8 or negative 1 over 2. So now we know this gradient, we need to flip it. We need to flip the negative into positive, and we need to flip the fraction around, so that'll become 2 over 1 or 2. So now we draw 2 as shown in the earlier example. 2 is 4, 1 is the ratio of 1 to 2. Now it meets this line that we just drew just now at D. So now we know that this is D, which is 1410. So that's our first answer. 2b, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD in unit square. So this is the quadrilateral area we want to find. So that's my solution is we find this area of this cube and we minus out the shaded triangle. So we find this. So 10 minus minus 2 equals 12, like 10 minus minus 2 minus negative 2, sorry. 14 minus 0 equals 14. 14 times 12 equals 168. So the area of this cube is 168. Now we want to find the shaded triangle. So 10 minus 2 equals 8. 10 to 2, 8. 8 times 14 is 8 times 14 divided by 2 is 56. Then 14 minus 8, 14 to 8 minus 8 equals 6. 6 times 12 divided by 2 is 36. So the area of this weird shape is 168 minus 56 minus 36, which is 76. So now the answers: 1, 343, 2, 14, 10, and 3, 76. Thank you.